Hey there, it's Cindy Schulson with Attract Your Niche, and I want to share a tool that I've been using in my business that I absolutely love and that I know you're going to love too because it's so easy and it really, really helps you build your list and make more sales. So who doesn't like that? So this is a tool, it's yourleadpages.com if you want to check it out, yourleadpages.com. And what it does is it allows you to create wonderful opt-in pages, thank you pages, sales pages, launch pages, you name it. Now, what I like best about this resource is that they make it so easy to create. I used to have to hire a web designer to create all these pages for me, and it was just expensive and it just didn't convert as well. When I discovered your lead pages, then I was able to do it myself, super easy, and my opt-in rate just skyrocketed. So I'll take you through and I'll actually show you some examples of how you can actually create your own pages. Before I do that, let me just show you an example of one that I have already created myself. I'm going to go up here to lead pages. These are some of my lead pages. So this is one that I created recently for a webinar that I did, right? So live webinar, cool prizes, free action guide, blah, blah, blah. This landing page, which converted very well, took me just minutes to create. In fact, I'm going to show you how easy it is by actually replicating the creation of that right now. So when you're in the lead pages templates, okay, you can click on templates, and the people who created this system are constantly testing things. So they will actually test different layouts, different words, everything you can think of to make sure you get the best results. They're total marketing geniuses, and they just keep teaching their customers and giving us the tools that we need to make this super, super easy and really convert well. So if you look on the left-hand side, you'll see all the different templates. Right now they have 67 different templates you can choose from, and they keep adding new ones, which is wonderful as well. So I'm going to click on webinar pages, which would be like a landing page you would create when you want to create a webinar. Now, one thing that's cool too, I'm going to scroll down here, is you can actually sort the different templates by conversion rate. So that means that whichever template converts the best, meaning more people opt in to that page when they see it, you can just click this little button here and it'll show you the order in which the highest rating templates come up. So here's one, for example, if you're doing a joint webinar. Here's another one. You know, they show you all the different templates, and this is the one that I actually used for that webinar. So I'm going to click on use this template just to show you how easy it is. That was just a little survey thing. All right, so it's loading the template, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to create that page I had. Now, I don't want his picture. I want my picture, so you're able to load all different kinds of pictures. So I'm going to just click on this picture. I'm going to put my name for the host name. Now, if I want to change the headline, I can change anything here. You click on it, the little box opens up, and you can type whatever you want. You know, this is not what I would actually type. I just want to show you how easy it is, right? I want to change the headline. I can change the headline. So I'll just say how to create a magnetic message. Okay, obviously these are not the exact words I'm going to use. I just want to show you how easy it is. You can change what comes up here. All right, so you can change when the box pops up, you can change if I want to say yes, reserve my seat, my spot. You can change that. You can change the little pop-up box that comes up when people click on the link to reserve their seat. So I can just click on that and say, enter your email address and get this free training. Now, again, you don't have to change their words. You can use their words and just tweak them. You can do whatever you want. They give you a starting point. You can use your own words, though, and I wanted just to show you how easy it is. All right, so obviously, I'm not going to go through and change everything now because that's going to be too time consuming, but I wanted you to see how easy it is to just take this template and modify it. If I want to change the bullet, just click on the bullet. The text will pop up and I just type in what I want, click OK, and it changes the bullet. Okay, now down here they have Facebook comments, and I recommend you get rid of that because it's not relevant to your thing. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down here to where it shows comments, click on comments, and you type hidden. Okay, because you don't want that to show up there. It's not relevant for your webinar. Now, what about formatting? What if I want to change the colors to match my brand? Well, you can easily do that as well. You go down here to Style Settings, you click on that, and look, you see how the stripe is blue? What if I want to put my branding color in? Well, I can just choose it. There you go. Now it's my branding color. If I want to change this blue here in the headline, main text, bold, I can just scroll up. Maybe I want a red. There you go. Now it's red. How easy is that? So you can change the look and feel, you can change the text, and it's done. Click on OK. Now the other thing that you can do is, and you have to do this, is you integrate it with your autoresponder system. So I'll click on Opt-in Form Integration. I choose Aweber, which is the system I use, and then I will choose which list and form I want to integrate it with. Right? So you know how you have different lists in your autoresponder series. So this webinar is for my list 3. No, it's not. It's for a different list. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. But I believe I have too many lists. Okay, here we go. Magnetic Message Live. That's that list. That's the form. Click. And if I want to include a first name for people to use their first name on the opt-in form, I just click on yes, and then I click OK. And it's gonna integrate that form so that when people opt into my list, it gets added to my autoresponder system. Now I'll call this Cindy Test, and I will save it. And oh, it says Cindy Test 3. All right, save it. And now I want you to see this is already done. Done. You can see that this form has been created in literally minutes. All right, now if I want to publish it, one other thing that's super cool that they let you do is I can publish it directly to lead pages. So that they've actually proven that that increases your conversion rate, which is wonderful. And that's also great for people if you don't have a website set up yet. You can start building your list without even having your website up. You can publish it to WordPress, to Facebook. So let's say you have a Facebook page and you want to create a tab so people can opt into your list right from Facebook and like your page. They have templates for that too. So super easy. They make it so easy. And here you go. That's the page I just created. Do you see how easy that was? I mean, literally took me just minutes. I absolutely love this. Yourleadpages.com. And yes, that is my affiliate link, and I do appreciate you using it if you want to check it out. Now, I really encourage you to check this out sooner rather than later because I was just told that the price is increasing. So do check it out, and I hope that you find this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.